Hi all. Very happy evening to all the viewers who are watching this video. Very happy evening from ANC team, sir. Before I start the class, my sincere request, as usual, you do it on a daily basis or regularly whenever I take the class. My sincere request before I start the class, the number which I am seeing right now in my YouTube channel as 38 watching, I request each and every student in the next probably 2 to 3 minutes of time, I want it to be minimum 100 people watching, sir, because I don't know whether you people know the importance of this beautiful topic called as time and work, but I know the importance of this topic called as time and work, and that is the reason I am telling you people, please kindly share this YouTube link. Kindly share this YouTube link with as many people as possible. You will understand by the end of the session what is the meaning of my statement very clearly. You will understand each and every statement whatever I am uttering in this particular class. If you do not share this YouTube link, probably some other people who are not watching this class will definitely lose some extremely quality contents of problem solving, and I mean my statement. Kindly share it in all the WhatsApp groups. Kindly share it in all the WhatsApp groups, whichever you are present, in the Telegram group, whichever you are present, or whatever it is, any social media network. You can kindly put your WhatsApp status also for the next 1.5 hours. It really will not affect anything for you. It will only help people reach as many people, content reach as many people as possible. But my sincere request, kindly share this YouTube link, sir. In the next probably 2 or 3 minutes, we will start with our first problem, and we will see some of the extraordinary problems being discussed in today's session. Kindly share this YouTube link. As 2 people have already asked, class will happen from 6:15 p.m. It already started. It will probably go until 8 p.m. I want to take some extremely beautiful examination questions in this 1 hour 45 minutes of time. Kindly do not hesitate in learning all these beautiful shortcuts. Tarun Pandey, that was my next thing what I was about to say. If there are any video bufferings or if the audio is not clear, and if you are watching in your mobile app, if you are watching in your mobile app, YouTube mobile app, kindly kill the app. Kindly kill the app and relaunch the app immediately. I think that the issue will be resolved. Or if you are watching this in your laptop or desktop, kindly refresh the page, sir. Simple. Kindly refresh the page. Kindly refresh the page. You will be getting that video or audio very clearly, right? Let us start in the next 1 or 2 minutes of class. But before starting the class, is the audio clear, sir? Are you facing any issues with the audio? Kindly comment in the live chat. I want every people who is watching this video to comment. Not one student or 2 students. Right now 76 people are watching. I know it is a beautiful weekend, Sunday evening. I know tomorrow you will be back to your work or colleges or whatever it is, and your hectic schedule will start once again. But I also know how much this topic can impact you people in your exam preparation. That is the reason I want to conduct this class. Is there any audio issue before I start the class? Every student, let me read the names of all the students who commented from starting. Rohit Kumar has commented, Rupesh has commented, Chaitanya has commented, Nishant has commented, Balaji has commented, Tarun Pandey has commented, Vikas Soni, Bala Narsimhalu, Abhishek. Every people, I want you people to comment, sir. Is there any audio issue? Is there any audio issue in the live chat or in this live class? Kindly comment. Kindly comment. Is there any audio issue? Audio is clear, says some of the students. Good evening, sir. Ready to rock once again, says Shayar Sana. Very good. Very happy that I am seeing that student called as Shayar Sana repeatedly listening to all our classes. Lakshman says clear. Balwant says clear. Akil says clear. Lalit Kumar says clear. Kindly comment, sir. Other people, I expect you people to comment. Once the audio is clear, all audio and video is good, says Prithviraj. We will start the class very soon in the next 1 minute of time, sir. Some of the students who commented in the initial stages of live class are not commenting right now. I believe that the audio is clear. Many people are saying that it is clear. Let us not waste too much of time. Although the expected audience minimum 100 is what I was expecting on this Sunday evening is not happening at this moment. I believe that as the class proceeds, that number will shoot up to more than 100 probably. Let us expect that. Right now the view is 79 or 80, but let us not wait for those students who will join little late and lose something in my initial classes, sir. Let us co-travel. Let us respect each and every of the 80 plus students who are watching this video. Let us not waste your time. Right now, see here, let me start with this very beautiful and important topic called as time, speed and distance. Extremely beautiful and important topic called as time, speed and distance. Before I start these problems or start this particular topic, you take any textbook, sir. You take any textbook, starting from your basic R.S. Agarwal textbook or any other textbook or whichever the textbook which you are referring to, time, speed and distance. 95% of textbooks in time, speed and distance will have at least minimum 8 to 10 formulas which will be written in their textbook, and they believe that without any of these formulas, without knowing all these formulas, the authors personally believe that it is very difficult for you people to understand it, and they believe that extremely important thing is the formulas itself. But let me tell you people, the one thing which is extremely important in time, speed and distance is only the definition of time, speed and distance, and that definition of time, speed and distance is given by speed is equal to distance by time. This is the only one thing which I will use in entire time, speed and distance topic, and I will make sure that without using any other formulas which is given in textbook, 8 to 10 formula, without using any of these formulas, I will make sure that I will solve all these problems in the most easiest way possible. Abhishek Rana, kindly start without wasting the time. I am not wasting the time here, sir. I am trying to educate you people why not to use formula and where to use formulas, where not to use. I personally believe that formula should not be used. Let me start this particular problem solving without using formulas, except this beautiful definition of time, speed and distance called as speed is equal to distance by time. I will only use one definition in all my problems. I will not use any other variables or formulas in any of my problems. Listen to this carefully. Let us not waste too much of time in our problem solving. Let me not explain you the basics also, which so many other faculties used to do it. Sir, without basics can we start learning problems? I will start explaining you people the basics of time, speed and distance in my problems itself. In my problems itself, I will explain you the basics, sir. I will start with my first important problems of today's class. Do not waste your time. Let me not waste my time also. I will start with a very basic question. Very easy and basic question. And as the class proceeds, I will slowly scale up the level of difficulty. Just keep on listening to my class, sir. Have that doubtless trust in me. I will take you to the next level in the next 1.5 hours of my time. Please see the first question. Very easy and basic question. Your question says, a cyclist covers 480 kilometers in 8 hours. That means they are saying that distance traveled is 480 kilometers. Time taken is 8 hours. So speed is nothing but distance by time. Distance is 480. Time is 8 hours. 480 by 8 is 60 kilometers per hour. That means the question is also saying that indirectly it is saying that the speed of the cyclist initially is 60 kilometers per hour. Beautiful. That is the first statement. Second statement says, if the speed is decreased by 12 kilometers per hour, if the speed is decreased by 12 kilometers per hour, that means initially I was traveling at 60 kilometers per hour, but I thought that I am going at little higher speed. So I thought of reducing my speed. I reduced my speed by 12 kilometers per hour. 60 minus 12, it becomes 48 kilometers per hour. That means if the speed is reduced by 12 kilometers per hour, then the final speed will become 60 minus 12, 48 kilometers per hour. Your question is, how much time he takes to travel the same distance? How much time he takes to travel the same distance? Same distance is nothing but the distance of same 480 kilometers. Now I am right now traveling at a speed of 48 kilometers per hour. The meaning of 48 kilometers per hour means in 1 hour I will cover 48 kilometers. In 1 hour I will cover 48 kilometers. But question says I should not actually only cover 48 kilometers. Actually I should cover the same distance of 480 kilometers. In 1 hour if I travel 48 kilometers, to cover 480 kilometers, how much time will I take is my question. 48 is becoming 480. 48 into which number is 480? 48 into 10 is 480. 1 also multiply by 10. 1 into 10 is 10 hours. Answer for this question is 10 hours. Now before I continue forward for my next few questions, I am telling at the starting of my class itself, which I have told it several times in my previous so many classes, that I do not want you people to answer the answers. Post your answers in the live chat. Sir, why are you not asking us to post your answers in the live chat? Because I do not expect you people to send me only the answers. I am more interested in the logic. I am more interested in the logical way of solving questions. I don't want your answers, sir. I don't require your answers. I want you people to think logically and to tell me the answer. That is what I am more interested with. So let us not worry about the answers. Sir, I am solving it much faster than you. Yes, probably you are solving it much faster than me, because I want every of the 120 plus students also to understand what I am teaching. So I will go slow in my class. You might not be in that case because you want to answer on your individual way. So you might be little fast in this probably, but what I expect you is, if you get the answer, keep that answer within yourself. When I get the final answer, cross check whether your answer is right or wrong. If you are getting a different answer, please check where probably you might have done the mistake conceptually. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Now Saurav, let us not worry about why Kattappa killed Bahubali. Why Kattappa killed Bahubali in the beginning of Bahubali movie itself. That is something which we need to worry in the last stage, right? If the distance is not given, how to solve it? In simple language, Saurav, in simple language, I have given you a plate and there is nothing to serve for you. If nothing is served, how to eat? That is what you are asking. That means there should be something in the plate for us to eat. That means every problem should give minimum requirement criteria. Minimum requirement criteria should be given. Suppose for your question, if distance is not given in this first question, answer is cannot be determined beta. Simple, right? If there is no minimum criteria itself, I cannot determine the answer. So let us see all those doubts as we proceed in our class. If distance is not given, something else should be given. What is that something else? We will keep understanding, right? Good that you asked the doubt. Very good that I am appreciating your doubt. But at the same time, let us wait for some more time, having little patience. This is for each and every student. I am requesting you, sir. My sincere request. Let us go for our second problem. Is everyone clear with the first problem, sir? Is everyone clear with the first problem? Donald Trump, I might not speak in Telugu. First thing, I am not that fluent in Telugu. My mother language is Kannada. My mother tongue is Kannada. And the second thing is our regular mode of communication is by English, sir. Is it clear? First problem, is it clear? Kindly comment in the live chat. Kindly comment in the live chat if the first problem is clear for you people. Avinash says clear. 1 out of 124 watching. Another 123 people. Hina says, yes sir, it is clear. Venkat Prasad says clear. Lakshman says clear. Second question is a very, very important question, original examination question. I am more interested in teaching you the original examination questions. Anyway, many people are not ready to comment immediately. Let me not waste too much of time. Let me start the next problem. See here, sir. See here. Beautiful question. Beautiful question. Jai Kumar says it is not clear. Kindly listen to my next problem, Jai Kumar. I believe that it should be very clear for you after my next problem. Now see here, sir. Extremely beautiful and important question which had come in the examination. Now everyone please listen to this question carefully, sir. Everyone please listen to this question carefully. Now before solving that question, let us understand something. Let us understand something before solving the question. Now see here, sir. Suppose I will assume that this particular point is my home, right? This particular point is my home. This is my assumption, and this is my office. I will assume that the starting point is my home, ending point is my office. Now I will travel every day from my home to office. I will travel every day from my home to office along the same path. I will travel every day from my home to office along the same path. Think little logically, sir. If I travel every day from home to office in the same direction, will the distance change? No, the distance will not change. What is the meaning of distance will not change? Distance will not change is nothing but distance is constant. That means in time, speed and distance, distance should be constant. Sir, what if distance is not constant? Either speed should be constant or distance should be constant, or time should be constant in time, speed and distance. Show me one question where at least one of these parameters is not constant in time, speed and distance. So as of now, let us understand that every day I am traveling from home to office along the same path. Distance is constant. What is the meaning of constant? Constant is nothing but a fixed quantity. Any person who has attended my time and work class 5 to 6 days before, I used the same concept in my time and work also, which I am using here also with the same explanation. Distance is constant. Constant is nothing but a fixed quantity. Sir, why are you teaching this? Now listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. I am posting the question once again for our better understanding. Everyone please pay complete attention for this question. Now see here. Your question says, walking at 3/4 of his usual speed. Walking at 3/4 of his usual speed, a man is 12 minutes late in reaching his office from home. Find his usual travel time. Kindly do not post your answers. Listen to the concept carefully. Walking at 3/4 of his usual speed, a man is 12 minutes late in reaching his office from home. Find his usual travel time. Let us understand this first, sir. First day. This is my home, this is my office, right? Left side is my home, right side is my office. Every day I am traveling from my home to office. Every day I am traveling from my home to office. Distance is constant. Now see here. First day I traveled with a speed of S kilometers per hour or S meters per second, whatever it is. I traveled with a speed of S meters per second. I traveled a distance of D meters and I took T seconds to reach the office. This is my first day scenario, right? First day scenario. But second day what happened is, there is some injury in my leg. I fell down or whatever it is. I have an injury, right? I have an injury. So because of that injury, I could not drive my vehicle in little comfortable way as I was driving earlier. So walking, or instead of driving, it is given in the question as walking. That's the only difference. Walking at 3/4 of the usual speed. That means every day I used to travel at S meters per second speed. But today, because of my reduced speed, I am only traveling at 3 by 4th of my usual speed. That means I am decreasing my speed, right? I am decreasing my speed. Because I am decreasing my speed, a man is 12 minutes late in reaching his office from home. Every day I used to take only 10 minutes, but today I took 12 minutes more than 10 minutes. I hope you are able to understand. That means speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Everyone listen carefully, sir. Distance is equal to speed into time. That means first day I traveled with a speed of s meters per second. I took t minutes to reach the office. I traveled a distance of d meters. This is my first day scenario. But unfortunately, because I am not well, I have some issues with my leg or whatever it is. Second day, walking at 3 by 4th of his usual speed. Every day usually I will travel at s, but today I traveled at 3 by 4th of s. A man is 12 minutes late in reaching his office from home. Every day I will take t minutes. Today I took 12 minutes more than t minutes. But am I traveling more distance from home to office? Definitely no. Distance still remains same as d meters. This is my second day scenario. I hope I am making sense for you people. Now, if you observe carefully, left hand side of equation 1 is d. Left hand side of equation 2 is also d. If the left hand side of both the equations are same, equate the right hand side. That means if I equate equation 1 and equation 2, right hand side of equation 1 is s into t. Right hand side of equation 2 is 3 by 4 s into t plus 12. If I further simplify, s will cancel, cross multiply. 4 into t is 4t. S will cancel. 3 into t. Sorry sir, I cancelled t here. It should be s cancelled. 3 into t is 3t plus 3 into 12 is 36. 4t minus 3t is t. T is equal to 36 minutes. But what is asked in the question? Find his usual travel time. Every day how much time I will take? That is what I need to find. Every day I will take t minutes actually, and that is what I got in this question also. Therefore, answer for my question is how much? Answer for my question is 36 minutes. I hope the idea is very clear for you people. Answer for this question is 36 minutes. But you might ask me a question. Sir, you are the director and co-founder of Anil Nair classes. I have seen so many classes of yours, and the way you people, that means you and Anil Nair sir teaches aptitude, is completely different from the way it is there in a textbook. But sir, whatever the method which you solved right now, which is nothing but using variables s and t, and you created two equations. You solved those two equations, and finally you got the value of that unknown variable. This is a method which is given in regular textbooks also, sir. If you are also using this method, then why am I wasting my time listening to Ajay sir class in that beautiful Sunday evening? If you are thinking like that, I am not that teacher who teaches you this method. If you have written this method, please scratch it. And let us move on to some other method which will help us to solve the problems in the most easiest way. Jay Kumar, if you are most interested, if you think that variable way of solving or formulas way of solving is a shortcut method, I will definitely pity you. Please continue following that method and waste your time in the exam. I will teach my sincere students who are ready to learn the beautiful shortcuts where they can solve the problems without using pen. I hope my idea is clear for you people. I am least bothered about this method, sir. First of all, kindly comment in the live chat if method 1 is clear for you. Forget about going to method 2. First comment in the live chat if method 1 is clear. If method 1 is clear, kindly let me know. Then I will move on to my beautiful ANC methodology. Kindly comment, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat. All the people, Jayakumar, Prithviraj, all those people are using variable method, which we are not interested in. A and C. We will not use variables, sir. That is a very, very wrong way of solving aptitude question. You will understand as the class proceeds. You will definitely understand as the class proceeds why variable methods can kill your time. I will myself prove it to you people. Kindly comment in the live chat. Every student, I want each and every student to comment in the live chat. 160 plus people are watching. Every people should comment in the live chat whether it is clear or not for you people. Kindly comment in the live chat. This is a very, very traditional method which most of the YouTube channels or textbooks or most of the institute will teach. If that is the case, you will never sit in my class. You expect some beautiful shortcuts which I will definitely teach you people. Michael says he hate variable. Probably Michael hates variables after learning so many beautiful shortcuts from ANC, because I at least minimum have seen Michael attending our classes from the last 1 year. And let me tell each and every student also, Michael who is listening to this class is also not from India. That is something which we need to appreciate Michael. Probably in his busy schedule, I don't know what is the time in his country right now, but still he will actually attend our classes taking time. We need to appreciate you, sir. Suresh, why do you do the regular method then, sir? Beautiful. Good that you asked me that question, sir. Suresh, I will always tell my students, there is a road like this. There is a road. You people don't know that it is a dirty road. You people don't know that it is a dirty road. There is another road to reach the destination. This is a good road which has a good tar or whatever it is. I know that this is not a good road, and I also know that this is a good road. But unfortunately, you people don't know. What you people will think is, you people think that this dirty road itself is the only one way to reach the destination, and you will think that that is the good road. But I will show you a better road. Only when I can compare showing you people, you will understand the importance of this good road. Then you will start appreciating that, wow, the road is so beautiful. That is the reason I will sometimes use method 1 to show you that that is not the right way. If I only show you the good road, you will again think that that is the only one method which is left. I don't want that to happen. I hope the idea is clear for you people. See here, sir. Now let us move on to our method 2. Everyone please pay attention. I will draft the same question once again. And I will solve it by using method 2. Just give me a minute. I will draft that question. Just give me a minute, sir. I am drafting that question. Extremely beautiful learning is there from this method 2. Kindly listen to this carefully. See here, sir. Method 2. See here. Let us read the question once again. Walking at 3/4 of his usual speed, a man is 12 minutes late in reaching his office from home. Find his usual travel time. Now, everyone listen carefully, sir. Distance is equal to speed into time. Everyone do not write, do not solve by using the methods. You know it. Stop doing all those things. Listen carefully here. I will make your problem solving without using pen in my next question. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is given as walking at 3/4 of the usual speed. Speed is given as 3/4. And we know that every day I am traveling from home to office. Distance is constant. If the distance is constant, speed is inversely proportional to time. That means speed is given in the question as 3/4. If the speed is given as 3/4, time will be equal to 4/3. Sir, what is the meaning of time is equal to 4/3? Everyone should pay complete attention right now. What is the meaning of this time is equal to 4/3? Listen carefully, sir. Time is equal to 4/3 means, I already told you in so many classes of mine saying that your denominator will always represent the initial value. Just 5 days before also in efficiency based problems also I told the same statement. your denominator always represents your initial value or the usual value, and I am talking about a parameter called as time. That means in this fraction 4 by 3, denominator 3 represents the usual time taken. That means according to this fraction, every day I will take 3 minutes to reach the office usually. According to this fraction, every day I will take 3 minutes to reach the office usually. But today, because of my illness, because of my leg problem, I took 4 minutes to reach the office. According to the fraction, every day I will take 3 minutes. But today I took 4 minutes. Every day 3 minutes. Today I took 4 minutes. That means I am taking how many minutes extra? I am taking 1 minute extra. Or in other words, every day I will reach the office in 3 minutes. Today I reached the office in 4 minutes. That means I am late by 1 minute. But the question says I am late by 12 minutes. Question says a man is late by 12 minutes. According to the fraction, I am late by 1 minute. According to the question, I am late by 12 minutes. 1 is becoming 12. Multiply by 12. 3 also multiply by 12. 3 into 12 is 36 minutes. Answer for this question in the most beautiful way to solve is 36 minutes. I definitely believe that this should be the most easiest way of problem solving for you, which I will show it to you people in the next half an hour by taking few more questions of this similar type. I believe that method 2 is very clear for you people, sir. I hate formulas. ANC hate formulas. We are not in that methodology which is used by which we will use formulas, create equation, solve equation, get the value of one unknown variable, back substitute in any one of the equation to get the value of another unknown variable. I don't require it, sir, and I want my students also not to use such kind of methodologies. Kindly comment in the live chat if my method 2 is clear, which we are very interested about. Good, Donald, if you are knowing it early, good that you know it early, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat. Can we calculate speed in this question? No, speed cannot be calculated at this present moment. I will tell you when you can calculate speed, Saurav. I will probably take 8 to 10 questions and then I will tell you when you can actually calculate speed. Kindly comment in the live chat. Every student, sir. 170 plus students are watching. I definitely do not want only 5 or 6 or 7 people to comment or 10 people to comment. I am requesting you comment so that I will know it is clear for you or not, and then I can move it forward for my next question. That is the intention. Kindly comment in the live chat. It is still not late for you people. It is still not late for you people if you have not shared this YouTube link. Kindly do it immediately, sir. Only 2 problems we have missed. Probably students who joined late would have missed only 2 problems till now. That is still okay. Instead of losing the entire session, it is better to lose only 2 problems and join immediately. Kindly share the link. Kindly share this YouTube link, and I know the importance of this class. Kindly comment, sir. Every student, just keep on listening. By the end of this session, you will understand what is the actual meaning of time, speed and distance and how an aptitude problem needs to be tackled. Next question. Now see this question, sir. This is where I want to connect the dots. Sir, in this question, walking at 3/4 of his usual speed, a man is 12 minutes late. You are giving a question which is a late scenario. Can I have a question where I reached early to the office? Why not? Why not you will not have a scenario where you reached early to the office? And I want it, sir. I want it. Every student, I want you people to do it right now. next question when I post it, I expect my people to post the answers in the live chat. Every time I was asking you people not to post the answers, but I want you people to post the answers in the live chat this time for the third question. But please take this as a challenge for yourself. I believe that you can make it. I personally believe that you can make it. Okay, sir. Do not worry if the echo is coming. Let me eliminate the echo issue before I post the third question. No worries. Is the audio clear right now? Is the audio clear? Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. I think the audio should be clear. Is the audio clear? Kindly comment in the live chat. Kindly also share this YouTube link. If you have not shared, let all the people understand how an aptitude problem needs to be solved. Is the audio clear? Is it still echoing? Okay, let me check it out once again. No worries, no issues. Do not worry about it, sir. Give me a minute. Now please check it out, sir. Is the audio clear? Is the audio clear right now? Kindly comment in the live chat right now, sir. Is the audio clear? Okay, my first request is, if it is not too much of echo, kindly ignore. As the class proceeds, some technical issues will be there. That will be resolved as the class proceeds itself, right? So, we can, if you think that we can adjust with it, let us continue, sir. Let us not waste too much of time. Now, the next question, my third question of this today's class. I expect each and every student to post the answers in the live chat, but I want you people to drop your pen. I do not want you people to use your pen and solve this question, sir. Please drop your pen on the table or on the book or whatever it is and try to solve this question without using pen. If you people cannot do it, nobody in the world can do it. Please, I request, give it as a challenge. Take it as a challenge, try it out. Take it as a challenge, try it out, sir. I am posting my third question of today's class. If it is not clear also, no worries, audio will be resolved as the class proceeds, nothing to worry about it. Please drop the pen and try to solve this question without using pen. Your time starts now. I expect you to give the answer at least within 15 seconds. Actually, you can solve it in 2 to 3 seconds. Answers. I am very much interested. No using pen, sir. Even if you don't get the right answer, that is still okay with me. Avinash says 99, Sauvik says 99, Shrivani says 99, Vinay 99, Nikhil says 55, Nitya says 220. Good that you people are getting multiple answers. That is where we will learn. We will make mistakes now itself. We will eliminate that mistakes in our examination hall. I still see so many people not giving the answer. Mohit says 99, Mohammed says 55, Rupesh says 396, way away from the actual answer. Probably Rupesh has multiplied somewhere with a multiplying factor 4. That is what I believe. Rupesh, there is one actual answer for this question is 99. You might have multiplied 99 by 4, which gives you 396. One small mistake you might have done. Please check it out, sir. Please check it out, sir. Rupesh. Lakshmi Narayan 99, Balaji 55. Let us check it out, sir. See here. Everyone see here, sir. Same logic. Walking at 9 by 5th of his usual speed. That means the distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, first of all, is the audio clear? Is the audio clear right now? I again eliminated the audio issue just now. Before I start solving this problem, which many people have commented the right answer as 99, is the audio clear? Please comment so that I will move forward and explain to the people who probably might have done mistake in their calculation. That's okay, sir. You might get a wrong answer today, but believe me, you keep on listening to all my classes and Anil sir classes and all the other faculty classes. I am damn sure that you will stop loving your aptitude problems with formulas and you will start loving your aptitude problems conceptually. Is the audio clear? Yes, some people say it's clear. Let us move forward. Now see here. Distance is equal to speed into time. Walking at 9 by 5th of his usual speed. That means speed is given as 9 by 5. Speed is 9 by 5. If the speed is 9 by 5, time will be 5 by 9. What is the meaning of 5 by 9 beta? 5 by 9 means every day usual time taken is 9 minutes. Sir, why usual time taken is 9 minutes? Because that is there in the denominator. Every day I will take 9 minutes to reach the office. But today I took only 5 minutes to reach the office. Every day 9 minutes. Today I took only 5 minutes. That means I am early by 4 minutes to my office. According to the fraction, I am early by 4 minutes. But according to the question, I am early by 44 minutes. 4 is becoming 44. Multiply by 11. 9 also multiply by 11. 9 into 11 is how much? 99 minutes. Answer for this beautiful question is how much, sir? 99 minutes. I hope every 170, 180 plus students who are listening to this class, you should be very clear with first 3 questions. Sir, you started the class at 6:15. Now it is 7 o'clock. We have only completed 3 questions. Let it be, sir. Let it be. Let me be that Rohit Sharma who will actually play little slow in every innings. 10 balls I will only score 2 runs. And 20 balls I will only score 6 runs. 30 balls let me only score 12 runs. And once I reach 50 runs, I know how to take it to sixers and fours. I know how to take it to boundaries. Let us only concentrate on concept clearance. Not taking, see, it really does not make any difference if I take half an hour 30 problems, every question 1 minute, and you people not even understand 80% of questions what I take. Will it make any difference in your career in preparing aptitude? No. Let us go slow. There are so many students who require push in this class, so they will see that yes, by listening to these beautiful concepts, I can make it big in aptitude problem solving. Let me be that one person who will give the curd for you people, and let me be the spoon who will pick up that curd of you, right? So let us not worry about it. Let us only worry about what need to be taken care of. Don't worry about the number of questions. If need be, I will also take another class on time, speed and distance also. Now see here, sir. Now see here, sir. Listen carefully. Now see here. This is exactly I want to connect the dot. Now see here, sir. There is only one dot, right? There is only one dot. This dot is nothing but in our number system. We call it as, okay, let me teach you like this, right? Let me tell you like this. We have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. 1 is nothing but in algebra. We call it as linear equation, right? We call it as linear. In arithmetic, we will see what we can call this. In geometry, The same thing, forget about arithmetic for time being. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the number system. In number system we call it as 1. In algebra we call it as linear. In geometry we call the same thing as point. 2 we call it as quadratic in algebra. The same 2 in number system is called as 2. In geometry it is 2 points, which is nothing but a straight line. 3 is in number system. In algebra it is cubic equation, and in geometry it is 3 points joining, which is nothing but a triangle. 4 in number system. In algebra it is called as biquadratic equation. And in geometry it is nothing but square or quadrilateral in general. That means you need to know how to connect these 4 dots. You have only 1 dot with you. How to connect that as 3 dots and make it as a closed geometrical figure triangle? How to connect it as a 4 dot and make it as a closed geometrical square or a quadrilateral? That means you studied 3 questions. You need to know how to connect the dots of question 1, question 2, question 3, which is in a difficult question. If you do not know how to connect a dot, then you are gone. Simple. Sir, what are you trying to say? Please see this beautiful question, sir. Question number 4. Question number 3 was very easy. It was very easy to solve. See this question number 4. How much beautifully, easily I will make you people solve it. Don't write anything, just listen. If you listen, I will make you to solve the questions without using pen. This is my promise for you people. And this question, it is a original examination question in your trains topic. There is a topic called as trains in time, speed and distance. I am taking one of the question out of that and I am trying to solve the original examination question for you. See here, sir. Your question is, a train meets with an accident. A train meets with an accident and travels at 4/7 of its regular speed from thereafter, and hence reaches destination 36 minutes late. How much time does the train take to reach its destination from the site of accident had it travelled at its regular speed? Sir, I did not understand the question, sir. Can you please split it and explain? Yes. Don't read the full question because you will get confused. Let us read statement by statement. Now see here, sir. There is a train which is starting at point A. The end destination of train A of train is to reach this point B. Read the first statement. A train meets with an accident. That means train was actually traveling from A to B. Somewhere here it met with an accident. Let me call that accident point as C. Right? At point C, accident happened. A train meets with an accident and travels at 4/7 of its regular speed from thereafter. That means because it met with an accident at point C, from this point C to B, from point C to B, it is not traveling at its regular speed. Because accident occurred, it is traveling at 4/7 of its regular speed from the point of accident till the destination, and hence reaches its destination 36 minutes late. Because it is traveling at 4/7 of its regular speed, because it is not traveling at regular speed from C also, it is reaching 36 minutes late to the destination. Your question is, how much time does the train take to reach destination from the site of accident? From this site of accident point C, how much time does the train take to reach the destination had it traveled at its regular speed? That means, let us now understand the question, sir. What they are saying is, yes, I was traveling from A to B actually. I met with an accident at point C. Because I met with an accident at point C, from that point I travelled the remaining distance at 4/7 of my regular speed, and therefore I reached 36 minutes late to my destination. But let us take a scenario where even though I had an accident at point C, Even though I met with an accident at point C, I will not reduce my speed. I will travel with my regular speed itself. Let whatever happens, sir. Even though accident happens, even though rain comes, even though tsunami comes, whatever, let it happen. I will travel at my regular speed itself. If I travel at my regular speed, even though the accident happens, how much time does the train take to reach the destination? Read the last statement once again. How much time does the train take to reach the destination from the site of accident? Had it traveled at its regular speed, if it had traveled at its regular speed itself, how much time it would have taken? That is the question. I hope I am making sense for you people in making you understanding this question. Now see here, sir. I already told you I don't want your answers. What will I keeping your answers? Now see here, sir. Same logic like my previous question. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is, speed from the site of accident. I actually started traveling at 4 by 7th of the speed. Speed is 4 by 7. So time will be ulta 7 by 4. The meaning of time 7 by 4 is denominator always represents your actual value or the initial value or the usual value. Usual time taken is 4 minutes. Usually I will take 4 minutes to reach the office. That means if accident does not happen, I would have taken 4 minutes to reach from C to B. But because accident happened, I took 7 minutes. That means I was late by 3 minutes. Because of the accident, I was late by 3 minutes. But question says I am not late by 3 minutes, beta. I am late by 36 minutes. See, I am marking here at the top. I am late by 36 minutes. 3 into which number is 36? 3 into 12 is 3 into 12 only, right? 3 into 12 is 36. 4 also multiply by the same multiplying factor 12. 4 into 12 is how much? 48 minutes. Answer for this question is 48 minutes, which is the same logic I used for my previous question, sir. Previous question was looking so easy. This question, so many things are there. Reading question itself is difficult. You think that it's a very difficult question, but ANC or Ajay or Anil Nair will make it easy for you people. I hope I am making sense for you, sir. I hope I am making sense. There is no difference between this question and the previous question. Just keep on listening to my class for the next 1 hour. You will become my fan. Take my words. Take my words, you will become my fan. You will start loving the concepts what I teach you people. You will definitely become my fan if you start watching all my classes, sir. I hope this is clear. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. 170 plus students. I request you people to comment in the live chat. Kindly comment in the live chat. Excuse me. Akhtar has commented. What about other people? 179 people. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Let me introduce you people to. Let me introduce myself to you people. If any new students are listening, there are so many people who are new to my class, because every day people who listen to my class will tell to their friends to listen to my class on the next day, because they know the importance of solving through concepts. For all the new people, let me introduce very briefly. My name is Ajay Kumar. I am the director and co-founder of this company called as Anil Nair Classes. Just a small introduction, because it is also important for you people to know who is the person who is batting in the cricket match to take India home. Same here. Who is this person who is teaching? First you should know who is the person, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Still I can see so many people not commenting. Yes, Bharat Kumar, this is faster and easier than variables. Not only from this question, sir, I will prove it to you by so many other questions also. Then sir, who is Anil Nair sir? Anil Nair sir is my teacher. He is my guru. He is the CEO of this company. He is the first person in the organization. I am the second person in this organization. Simple way of saying. Kindly comment sir. Are you people ready for our next beautiful question? Next question. Because I already said to one of the students that I will not speak in Telugu for him because the mode of communication is English sir. I am sorry. I am sorry. You can call me and speak to me for hours in Kannada. I will be more than happy to speak in Kannada. I am a Pakka Kannadiga. I will definitely love to speak in Kannada, but unfortunately what we want to teach here is English because of many people who are listening to the classes all over the world. That is the reason I introduced myself Nitya. I know that there are so many people because the name of the institute says Anil Nair classes. Many people will say to me that Anil Nair and Ajay both will speak similarly also. The way I speak and the way he speaks more or less will be same. That is what many people say. That is the reason I introduced it in a little, what do you say, like a little brief introduction I gave. Chaitanya Reddy, no such comments. No such comments. I also say the same statement to many other people also. But many other people who don't know Kannada also should understand my class. I am sorry sir. I said you can call me and speak to me in hours. For hours you can call me and speak to me in Kannada, but do not use such kind of languages in the live chat in a public platform. This is something which is not good, which is something which I am little worried about. Chalo sir, let us move on to our next problem. Again a original examination question. Very small difference I have made it in this question compared to the original exam question. I will tell you what is the difference also after I complete this problem. Just listen to it sir. Just listen to it. Now see here. See here sir. Your question is, a car completes a journey in 15 hours. The first half of the distance at 21 kilometers per hour and the second half at 24 kilometers per hour. Find the distance. Now before solving this question, in my time and work class, I taught you how to find the LCM in the most easiest way possible. One small example I would like to give you, not too much. I actually taught you type 4, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. I might not teach you all the 4 types right now because of time constraint. One small example I will teach you. Suppose LCM of 30, 20, 40. Every type one example I will teach you sir. Listen carefully for the new student. LCM of 20 and 40. Take the bigger number 40. 40 bigger number. Is the bigger number a multiple of smaller number? Yes. 40 is a multiple of 20. LCM should be 40. This is my type 1. Where bigger number is directly a multiple of smaller number. Type 2. Sir, what if bigger number is not a multiple of smaller number? You might get that doubt. I am not taking too many examples in each and every type because of time constraint. What if bigger number is not a multiple of smaller number? For example, 6 and 9. 9 is the bigger number. 9 is not a multiple of 6. So what I will do is, I will take the next multiple of 9. Next multiple of 9 is 18. Is 18 a multiple of 6? Absolutely yes. 18 should be my LCM. That is my type 2. Type 3. 3, 5. 3, 5. What is the HCF of 3 and 5? HCF of 3 and 5 is 1. HCF of 3 and 5 is 1 because 3 and 5 do not have any other common factor other than 1. HCF of 3 and 5 is 1. Such kind of numbers are also called as co-prime numbers. Whenever two numbers are co-prime, LCM is nothing but product. 3 into 5. It is 15. 3 and 5 LCM is 15. That is type 3. Type 4. Everyone listen to type 4 sir. Beautiful method. Suppose same 6, 9 let me take. That I already solved in type 2. I got the answer as 18. What I will do in type 4 is, 6 is having a common factor 3. 9 is also having the same common factor 3, and that is the highest common factor, right? That is the highest common factor. I will take that highest common factor outside. I will take that 3 outside. 3 into which number is 6? 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into which number is 9? 3 into 3 is 9. If I take out the highest common factor outside, whatever which are left inside the bracket right now, they will be co-prime numbers. 2 and 3 are co-prime. LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 into 3 6. Multiplied with this outside number 3. 3 into 6 is 18. That is what I got in type 2 also. You do anything whatever you like, right? You do anything whatever you like. Now see here, sir. Now see here. Listen carefully. One more example. Suppose for example 20 comma 30. Else HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. Take it outside. You are left with 2 comma 3 inside. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Multiply that 6 with this outside 10. 6 into 10 is 60. Sir, I don't want to use the type 4. I want to use the type 2 for 20 and 30. Can I solve it? Yes. 30 is a bigger number. 30 is not a multiple of 20. Take the next multiple of 30. 60. 60 is a multiple of 20. That is nothing but the LCM. Sir, why are you suddenly taking LCM concept? What are you doing here? You wrote some question, you posted some question, you suddenly went on to LCM concept. Why are you doing that? Let us understand why it is so in this question. Everyone please pay complete attention. Again a original examination question, sir. Everyone please see here, listen to this concept carefully. A car completes a journey in 15 hours. That means I am traveling in a car from A to B. I am traveling in a car from A to B. Total time I am taking to travel from A to B is 15 hours. A car completes a journey in 15 hours. The first half of the distance at 21 kilometers per hour. This is the midpoint half distance C. First half of the distance I am traveling at a speed of 21 kilometers per hour. And the second half of the distance at 24 kilometers per hour. Second half I am traveling at 24 kilometers per hour. Find the distance is the question. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Listen to this carefully. Can I say that I am traveling from A to B? If I travel from A to B, what is constant? Distance is constant. In your textbook, they will use the stupid methodology of variables and they will say that let the distance be x. But I will use a beautiful concept saying that distance is constant. What is the meaning of constant? Constant is nothing but a fixed quantity. That means distance is nothing but a fixed quantity. Because distance is fixed quantity, you can fix any value whichever you like. You can fix whatever the value you like, sir. Ultimately you will get the same answer. But I will fix that distance as LCM of given speed. Why LCM? Because LCM probably will avoid fractions. I will assume the distance as LCM of 21 and 24. Sir, what is the LCM of 21 and 24? 21 is 3 into 7. 24 is 3 into 8. HCF is 3 taken outside. Its LCM of 7 and 8 is 7 into 8 56. 56 into 3 is 168 kilometers. That means I am assuming my distance to be 168 kilometers. This is my assumption. I am assuming it as 168. You can take any other value whichever you like. I am assuming it as 168. If the total distance is 168, first half of the distance is 168 divided by 2. 84 kilometers. Second half of the distance is also 84 kilometers. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Can I say that speed is equal to distance by time? So time will be equal to distance by speed. That means can I say that I assumed it as 168 Because of my assumption of 168 only, I got this 84. Because of my assumption of 168 only, I got the second 84 also. That means whatever I have written on the screen till now, everything is according to my assumption. That means according to my assumption, time taken from A to C. Is distance is 84 divided by speed is 21. 84 divided by 21 is 4 hours. Similarly, according to my assumption, time taken from C to B is distance is again same 84. Time is nothing but 24. This is 12 into 7, 12 into 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5 hours. That means in simple language can I say that according to my assumption, time taken from A to C is 4 hours. Time taken from C to B is 3.5 hours. That means total time taken from A to B. Total time taken from A to B is 4 hours plus 3.5 hours. It is 7.5 hours. According to my assumption, total time taken is 7.5 hours. But the question says, according to the question, total time taken is how much? It is 15 hours. 7.5 should become 15. Multiply by 2. Similarly, according to my assumption, distance is 168 kilometers. They are asking you in the question how much it is according to question. 168 also multiply by the same multiplying factor 2. 168 into 2 is 336 kilometers. The beauty about taking LCM is you will nowhere use your methodology of textbooks where they will use let the distance be x. I don't want you people to use that method, sir, because x is a variable. You will create equation, you will solve it, you will waste too much of time in the exam. Time, speed and distance. Let us save our time by increasing our speed in solving the problems so that we will reach our destination, which is a larger distance. I hope I am making sense for you people. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. This is the way you need to solve an aptitude problem. And if you were solving in some other way, please change it. I already told there is something called as good road and bad road. Start following the good road. I will tell you, sir. Let me tell you. Same question. There is a car is traveling from A to B. Total time taken is 15 hours given in the question. This is the half. First half is traveled at 21 it is given in the question. Second half is 24. Now think logically, sir. Suppose you follow textbook method. Let the distance be x. Total distance is x. Half of the distance is x by 2. Another half is x by 2. So time taken from A to C is nothing but x by 2 divided by 21. Already we are frustrated with the variable. In that variable we are getting fractions. My God. Think logically. It is easy to say 1 plus 2 plus 3 as 6. It is not that so easy to say 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 as some answer. You will definitely take little more time in solving fractions compared to adding whole numbers. Let us eliminate this variable fractional method. Let us switch on to our beautiful method of solving by whole numbers. I hope I am making sense for you, sir. 170 plus people. My only request is comment in the live chat whether it is clear for you or not. Do not worry. My role is to make you people get magical solutions. Kindly comment, sir. Nitya says perfect. Shayar says magical. Lakshmi says nice, sir. Nikhil says lovely, sir. What about another 160 plus people? 160 plus people. If that is the case, if many people are not ready to comment and if you are living in your own illusionary world, I will not even ask whether it is clear or not. Whether it is clear, whether it is not clear, I will directly jump on to my next problem. The loss is yours. Simple. Shayar Sana, good that you are improving day by day. Keep on growing, sir. Aptitude skill set, you should grow it. Saurav, you can call me right after the class is over, sir. This is my personal number 7795734445. Any student can call me to have your career guidance, sir. I'll be more than happy to help you, but my sincere request, December 6th 2017 I got married, only 1 year and 1 month. If you call after 10:30, my wife will get irritated. So probably call before that, and probably I'm going for a movie also tonight. So kindly do not call after 10 o'clock. Anything, any career guidance, you can call me after before 10 o'clock today or probably tomorrow anytime, sir. Shivang, what if distance in more than half? That also we will solve. Sanjay, can you please name a book of aptitude and reasoning? You can call me after the class, Sanjay. I gave the number just now. I hope the idea is clear. Next question, sir. Next question. Before solving the next question, again a beautiful way of solving. I will teach you two methods. You decide which method you need to follow. Now see here, sir. I will teach you two methods. Listen carefully. But before solving that, I am sure that at least out of 170 students who are watching this video, at least minimum 70 students have attended so many of my previous classes. In that one of the classes, percentage. In percentage, I taught you some beautiful shortcuts to remember some important fraction to percentages. So many fraction to percentages I taught you, and I told you some beautiful techniques to remember all these things also. But I will not teach you everything right now. I will teach you only two things which is required for my next problem. See here, sir. 1 by 4, I am sure that you know it at 25%. What about 1 by 8? 1 by 8 can be written as half of 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? Just now I told it is 25. What is half of 25? It is 12.5%. Right? That means 1 by 8 is 12.5%. If 1 by 8 is 12.5, 2 by 8 is 2 into 1 by 8. So it is 2 into 12.5, 25. That is the reason 2 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 25 only. But extremely important fraction which is coming repeatedly in so many topics in your competitive examination is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is the most repeated fraction, which is 3 into 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. 3 into 12.5. 3 into 12 is 36. 3 into 0.5 is 1.5. Very, very important value. 3 by 8 is 37.5%. Why are you telling this, sir? This is a percentage topic, right? You took already, right? Small 2 minutes topic for people who are new to our class. 3 by 8 is 37.5. That is one thing which you need to know. For my next problem at least. 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, till 8 by 9. 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, till 8 by 9. Similarly, 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, till 10 by 11. I believe that many students know it. If you have attended my percentage class or SICI class, I would have taught you this. Now see here. Denominator in this case is 9. Denominator in this case is 11. 9 and 11, they will always travel together. Sir, what is the meaning of traveling together, sir? Don't make me confused. Tell it in a easy language, sir. That means if the denominator is 9, answer will be a multiple of 11. Similarly, if the denominator is 11, answer will be a multiple of 9. Sir, what do you mean? Denominator here is 9. Answer will be a multiple of 11. What is 11 into numerator 2? 11 into 2 is how much? 22. Write down twice. Answer for 2 by 9 is 22.22. Denominator is 9. Answer is a multiple of 11. 11 into 3 is 33. Answer is 33.33%. Denominator is 9. Answer is a multiple of 11. 11 into 8 is 88. Write down twice. Same thing for the right side also. Denominator is 11. Answer should be a multiple of 9. 9 into 2 is 18. Write down twice. 9 into 3 is 27. Write down twice. 9 into 10 is 90. Write down twice. Very, very beautiful logic. If the denominator is 9, answer is a multiple of 11. If the denominator is 11, answer is a multiple of 9. There are so many other fractions also which I explained in my percentage class. Not interested to take it forward right now for you people because we are discussing time and work. Now let us come back to our actual topic of time and work. Now see here, sir. Now see here. This is the beauty. This is the beauty. See here, I will teach you two methods. One of the method I taught you in percentage class. I will also teach you another method today. Now see here. Question says, if the speed of a moving body increases by 37.5 percentage, by what percentage should the time be decreased so as to maintain the same area? This kind of questions, it has come in the examination for you people so many times. Sir, which examination? Various exam. It might be a placement exam, it might be a bank PO exam, there also it has come. If the speed of a moving body increases by 37.5 percentage, by what percentage should the time be decreased so as to maintain the same distance? The catch here is the same distance. Sir, I know how to solve this, sir. Let the initial speed be x percent, 37.5% increase. So it is x plus 37.5% of x. If you are looking for such kind of problem solving from me, please quit the class. I will not teach you that method. But if you want to learn something new, please continue listening to the class. Are you facing audio issues, sir? Balaji says there is an audio problem. Is the audio clear? Is the audio clear? Kindly stop posting your answers in the live chat. My sincere request. Okay, let me post it. Let me eliminate the audio issue. Is the audio clear right now? Is the audio clear right now? Kindly comment, sir. Is the audio clear? Next half an hour I want to take some excellent questions. I don't want these technical issues. Already we have taken some beautiful questions. Let us not waste our time. Is the audio clear? Chaitanya says it is yes. Beautiful. Let us continue, sir. Now see here. Now see the question, sir. Method 1. I taught this method 1 already in my percentages class. I will teach you once again in this class. See here. Statement says, if the speed of a moving body increases by 37.5 percentage, speed increases by 37.5 percentage is how much? 37.5 percentage is 3 by 8. I already taught you this. 37.5 percentage is 3 by 8. If the speed increases, time should decrease. By what percentage should the time be decreased so as to maintain the same distance? Distance is constant. If the speed increases, time should decrease. By what percentage should it decrease is the question. Now see here. Time will decrease by what percentage? Simple way of understanding, sir. Very, very easy way of understanding. Numerator in this speed is 3. Numerator in this speed is 3. Copy paste the same numerator for time also. Sir, why copy paste? Don't worry right now, because I explained in detail conceptually in my percentages class. I will not explain in detail in this class once again. Whatever numerator you have here, same numerator copy paste it here also. Sir, what about denominator here? Now see here. This particular first term, this is my first term, this is my second term. If the first term is having increase, add the denominator and numerator. What is 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3 is 11. Write down 11 here. 3 by 11 convert back to percentage. If the denominator is 11, answer is a multiple of 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Answer is 27.27. It is a 1 second answer or a 2 second answer, sir. 1 second or a 2 second answer. Sir, can you please teach a few more questions, sir? I am more excited to learn this. Yes. See here. Price of a product increases by 44.44 percentage. Price of a product increases by 44.44 percentage. By what percentage should the consumption decrease so as to maintain the same expenditure? Price increase. Okay, previous question we already did increase, right, sir? Let us do decrease in this question. Price decreases by 44.44 percentage. By what percentage should the consumption increase to maintain the same expenditure? Price decreases by, question is a multiple of 11. That means denominator should be 9. Question is 4 times of 11. That means numerator should be 4. Price decreases by 4 by 9. Consumption is increased by what value? Numerator is 4. Copy paste the same numerator 4 here also. This first part consists of decrease. If the first part consists of decrease, subtract the denominator and numerator. What is 9 minus 4? 5. Write down. 1 by 5 is 20%. 4 by 5 is 4 into 1 by 5. 80%. Very beautiful way of solving the question. I hope I am making sense for you people. This is exactly the reason lakhs and lakhs of people are using our online content, sir. Do you think just like that people will purchase our online content without any trust factor, without learning all these beautiful shortcuts? Definitely no. Definitely no. Why so many students are behind ANC for learning aptitude in the most easiest way possible? Because of this. One more question for you people. This is again your original exam question. A's salary is 22.22 percentage. A's salary is 22.22 percentage more than B's salary. More than B's salary. This also comes in your exam. Your question is, by what percentage is B's salary? By what percentage is B's salary less than A's salary? Less than A's salary. I hope I am making sense for you people. See here, sir. See here. Listen to this carefully. Listen to this carefully. A's salary is 22.22 percentage is nothing but 2 by 9. More is nothing but increase. If A's salary is increasing, in this case B's salary will decrease, because by what percent B's salary is less than A's salary. By how much percent it will decrease? Numerator is 2. Copy paste the same numerator to first part consists of increase. If the first part consists of increase, add the denominator and numerator. What is it? 9 plus 2? 11. 11. If the denominator is 11, answer is a multiple of 9. 9 into 2 is 18. Write down twice. Answer is 18.18 percentage. I hope I am making sense for you people, sir. I hope this should be very clear for you people. No doubt should be there left in students' mind. That is the reason I will explain very slow in each and every class. People who are telling it as 28.57 2 by 7, that is incorrect. Please check it out. First part is consisting of increase. You should add 9 and 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. That 11 should be written in the denominator. Comment. 160 people. I want you people to wake up, sir. Wake up. Wake up. I told you probably 5 days before. I am telling you that you are the only person who can create your life. You are the only person who can also destroy your life. I told a very, very beautiful, meaningful statement on that day, saying that in simple language, you are the Brahma, you are also the Yama. Don't spoil your career just because you don't know some of the beautiful road to reach the destination. Don't spoil your career. Don't spoil your career. Chaitanya, if both are more, if both are less, what we discussed right now is A and B are inversely proportional. Why it is valid in time, speed and distance? Because time and speed and time are inversely proportional. Price and consumption are inversely proportional if the expenditure is constant. Men and days are inversely proportional. In all these things it is applicable clearly. Chaitanya asked a question saying that what if A's salary is also less, B's salary is also less? What if both are directly proportional? How to solve it? Please refer to my percentages class beta. Simple. I am not interested in diverting the topic. I diverted because the percentages topic came in time, speed and distance problem. Yes, you can use for every fraction, Naveen. I did not teach you every fraction, in fact, because of time constraint. I have taught it in my other class. Kindly comment, sir. Not all the people have commented again. I'll be very disappointed if the people who are commenting in my initial of my class are not commenting right now. I have the track of who are commenting, who are not commenting. Ablaze brain. Can you tell all fraction value of percentage? Not possible right now. I am watching DDLJ movie right now. I will not be interested in watching Kuch Kuch Hota Hai movie at the interval. After DDLJ interval, let me go back to the movie theater and continue watching DDLJ itself. Kindly do not request me to deviate from the topic, sir. I do not want to deviate just for 1 or 2 people. I definitely want to teach time, speed and distance topic. Mahadev, next question. Until I get the reply from people who were commenting in my initial problems, I will definitely not move to my next problem, sir. Some students were commenting. I remember them. Next question. Comment. Sai Pavan, you can call me after the class. Comment. Only thing what I request is comment. If you do not respect my words, then probably I should not respect your words also. Next. Comment. Comment, sir, fast. Next question, sir. Many people have commented anyway. Time and work I took for 2 classes, Ravikant. It is your problem not to. It is your problem to miss out it, sir. You should not miss out my classes. People will be waiting for my classes. I remember people have taken off, or they have come out of the office to listen to my classes. There are so many people like that. You should not miss my classes. Extremely important topic, time and work. You are asking to give an example when I have taken so many problems. Next question. See here, sir. See here. A beautiful question, sir. A beautiful question. See this question, sir. I will definitely think what all students will do to solve this question. I will definitely pity those people who are studying from that R.S. Agarwal or some from local trainers or from local textbooks, sir. See here, sir. See here. A man takes, first understand the question, beautiful question, and don't take me wrong, you can Google this question, you will get similar kind of question which is an examination question. A man takes 6 hours 35 minutes in walking a certain place and riding back. Sir, wait for a minute, sir. Don't go for the next statement. Let me read the first statement. Let me write what I understood from the first statement. Let me do only that thing. What is that they are saying? A man takes 6 hours 35 minutes in walking a certain place and riding back. That means, suppose I am that person. I am traveling from A to B. First day, I am walking from A to B. And I came back from my bike. I have kept my bike in my friend's place called as B. I have kept my bike yesterday in my friend's place called as B. First from home to my friend home I went by walk. From my friend home I came back by bike to my home. Totally I took 6 hours 35 minutes. That means, can I say that time taken to walk and plus time taken to ride back, it is given in the question as 6 hours 35 minutes. This is my first day scenario, which I call it as equation 1. Read the second day scenario. He would have taken 2 hours less by riding both ways. That means question says, instead of I going from A to B on first day by walk, if I had gone by bike, and if I had come back to my home also by bike, I would have taken 2 hours less. That means he would have taken 2 hours less by riding both ways. Meaning is time taken to ride and time taken to ride back. I would have taken 2 hours less than 6 hours 35 minutes. That means I would have taken 4 hours 35 minutes. This is my second equation. What is the question? What would be the time if he could take to walk? He would take to walk both ways. That means time taken to walk and time taken to walk back. How much time he is taking is the question. I hope the question is very, very clear for you people. Now listen to this beautiful shortcut, sir. This is the reason you should start watching ANC videos. See here. Time taken to walk plus time taken to walk back. That means TW plus another TW I require. If I solve these two equations, TR minus TR cancels. Left hand side it becomes TW minus TR. TW minus TR. Right hand side it becomes 6 hours 35 minutes minus 4 hours 35 minutes. 35 minutes will cancel. It will become 2 hours. That means I got another beautiful equation saying that time taken to walk minus time taken to ride, it is 2 hours. But question says I want TW plus another TW I want. This is what the question demands me to. That means I want one TW. I already have one of the TW on my left hand side. Beautiful. I want another TW to be on the left hand side. It is not there. Add it for yourself and write this minus TR as it is. Sir, can you just add like that whatever you want? No. If you add it on the left hand side, to balance that equation, you should also add it on the right hand side. Now it is a perfect equation. Now this is what they are asking you people. Keep it as it is. Time taken to walk plus time taken to walk is 2 plus time taken to walk. This minus TR on the left hand side, shift it to the right hand side. It becomes plus TR. 2 plus TW plus TR. But according to the question, TW plus TR is given as 6 hours 35 minutes. Substitute 2 hours plus 6 hours 35 minutes. Your final answer is 2 plus 6 35 is 8 hours 35 minutes. Answer for this question is 8 hours 35 minutes, which is nothing but my option 2. But you will not be my student if I use this variable method. If I use this equation method, you will definitely not be my student. Out of so many lakhs of students what I have gained, I will start losing my students if I start teaching this method. That is the reason what I want you people to do is, you should also write this method in your exam, in your notebook, and you should scratch it in your notebook. Sir, why should I scratch it? Because you will understand when you are reading for the next time that you should not use this method. I personally believe that you should start making mistakes in your life, but I also personally believe that you should start not making the same mistake again. Make mistakes, it is good for you, but do not repeat the same mistake. I hope I am making sense for you. You should make mistakes, sir. Sir, is this method 1 a mistake then? Method 1 is not a mistake, but applying method 1 in your examination is a mistake. Applying this method 1 in your examination is a mistake. Sir, why it is a mistake applying this method? Because it will kill our time. Why it will kill our time? Because it's a variable method or a equation method. I hope I am making sense for you, sir. This is exactly the reason I want to teach you people. Exactly, I want to teach you this itself. Kindly comment in the live chat if method 1 is clear. Believe me, I will tell you method 2, which will make you feel wow. Just hold on for 1 minute until people comment. I will tell you method 2, which will make you people wow. Have patience, just keep listening to my class. Kindly comment in the live chat. The more quickly you comment, the more quickly I will switch on to my method 2. As simple as that. Simple. There is no beating around the bush. Kindly comment in the live chat. 179 people are watching. I get that so much of energy seeing 5 dislike, 4 dislike for my YouTube class, because I personally believe that those 4 or 5 dislikes what I have got for this session right now are my competitors. I love those people. Because of them I will grow exponentially. I would have grown only linearly earlier. Now because of the dislike I will be even more energized and I will grow exponentially. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for beautiful dislikes, sir. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Beautiful. Next method. See here, sir. Next method. Let me post that question one more time for you people so that we will understand it better. Let me post this question. One more time I am posting it for you people. And let me also delete these answer options also, because anyway we will solve it, right? No need of these answer options. Now see here. Okay, is the audio not clear, sir? Are you getting dual voices? That is what one of the students says, Sahiti says. Audio not clear? Avinash says audio clear. Okay, it's good itself. Let me continue. Now see here. Let us come back. Now see here. Understanding, sir. Just reading the question of aptitude in an examination paper does not make sense. Reading and understanding and thinking for a while makes all the difference for you people. See here how beautiful this can be solved, sir. Let us understand here. A man takes 6 hours 35 minutes in walking to a certain place and riding back. That means first case scenario says, I am traveling from A to B. I am traveling from home to office. I am going by walk initially and I am coming back by bike or ride. Right? I am coming back by ride. I am taking 6 hours 35 minutes if I go by walk and come back by bike. And my second case says he would have taken 2 hours less. He would have taken 2 hours less by riding both ways. That means instead of going by walk, if I had gone by bike, let me write bike itself. If I had gone by bike and coming direction, I am coming by bike earlier, now also I will come by bike itself. That means instead of walking from A to B, which I was doing earlier, if I had ridden from A to B in the second case, I would have taken 2 hours less. That means think logically, sir. Think logically. If I go by walk, I will take 6 hours 35 minutes. Instead of walking, I will go by bike. I will take only 4 hours 45 minutes. That means, can I say that? Instead of walking, I will replace walk by bike. If I replace walk by bike, I will save 2 hours. I hope you are understanding. Instead of walking, if I go by bike, I will save 2 hours. Ulta is also true. Instead of going by bike, if I go by walk, I will take 2 hours extra. Common sense. This is a common sense every student should have. Instead of walking, if I go by bike, I will save 2 hours of time. Or instead of going in bike, if I go by walk, I will take 2 hours extra. Now see here, sir. What is that they are saying in the first statement? Time taken to walk plus time taken to ride back is 6 hours 35 minutes. But question says, I don't want something else. I want TW plus TW itself. I want TW plus TW. This is already TW, write it as it is. That means I want to convert this ride to walk. Common sense says that instead of going by bike, if I go by walk, I will take 2 hours extra. That means instead of going by bike, if I replace by walk, I will take 2 hours extra compared to 6 hours 35 minutes. Answer will be 8:35, right? Honestly speaking, this does not deserve a pen. This does not deserve a pen. And what are you people doing with pen in method 1? Creating equations? My God. Sir, please change. Change is the only thing which can make you succeed. Change is the only thing which can make you succeed. If you are not willing to change, you will stay in the same position in whichever company you are working in. Your salary also will not change. Everything remains constant. And I don't want you people to be constant. If your heartbeat is constant, that means if it is not going up, going down, going up, going down, dub, 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 it is not beating like that, it means you are dead. Please think logically. This is only solved using common sense, and that is what all our video content will teach. All our video content will teach the same thing for you. How to apply the problematic, the beautiful, extremely difficult problems, how to solve it within seconds. Every video concept will teach you the same thing. Kindly comment, sir. 180 people, what are you waiting for other than commenting? Kindly comment in the live chat. Kindly comment in the live chat. Comment, comment, comment. I can count the number of people who have commented. Bhagyashri, Sahiti, Chaitanya, Shriveni, Akil, Likita, Vinay, Shivaram, Krishna. So like that I can count it. Next. Next question. Next question. Anil Pandey, you can definitely try typing this question in Google. You will get varieties of questions of similar type. My request, please solve it on. Try to solve it on your own. Michael, how you learn these methods? I only did so much of research, sir. Only through lot of patience and research and sitting and having creating so many questions of my choice, I understood that this is not the method to be implemented. Actually, this can be the method to be implemented. Only thing what I also did is only practice, nothing else. Next question. Now, before I move on to my next question, the time in my laptop is exactly 8 p.m. which I told that I will be stopping at 8 p.m. But my heart says I want to take one or two more questions. My heart says I want to continue with this class for next one or two questions, which I think is also very important questions. I want you people to say whether I should continue or not. Let me ask you people itself, sir. 180 people, if you think that no sir, I have a movie, I also have a movie at 9:30 today. You can check my WhatsApp status, probably I will post it. So I am interested in taking for next 15-20 minutes. If you are interested only, I will continue. Otherwise, let us stop it. There is no force, because I believe that education or learning should never be a forceful activity. Please comment in the live chat. At least for this I want maximum comment. Whether it is yes continue or no discontinue, whatever it is. At least for this I want maximum comment. Every student comments, sir. I see many people have commented as continue, but I want still majority. I can say that it is only around 30 people probably who have commented. Chalo sir, let us continue. Majority of the people say me to continue. Let me continue this particular class. Now see here, sir. Extremely important. If you are listening to my class, if you want to crack aptitude exam, please put a star mark for this question. Listen to this very carefully. No here and there looking, no messaging to your friends or whoever it is, no picking up any calls. Say to yourself that next 20 minutes is my life. Please do not disturb for the next 20 minutes, whether it is your parents also. Please say that you are listening to something which is extremely important questions for your own good. Now see here, sir. See here. Listen to this carefully. Listen to this carefully. Beautiful question. I am not writing the exact statement which is given in the question. I will write what is required. I will explain you the question, sir. No worries. I am there for you people to understand, right? 30 kilometers per hour, 30 minutes late. 30 minutes late. 60 kilometers per hour. 60 kilometers per hour. 10 minutes early. 60 kilometers per hour, 10 minutes early. Find the actual distance from home to office. Sir, what is this, sir? I did not understand the question at all. Can you please elaborate and explain the question in a much more beautiful way? Definitely I will. Now see here, sir. Ajay is traveling from home to office. Ajay is traveling from home to office every day. Every day Ajay is traveling from home to office. So distance will not change. Distance is constant. First day, I traveled at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. First day I traveled at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour to my office. Because I traveled at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, I reached my office 30 minutes late. Oh my god, I am late by 30 minutes. I realized it. Because I am late by 30 minutes on day 1, my boss started scolding me. So I realized that I should not go late to my office. Whoever people who are commenting the answers in the live chat, you will be blocked. Because it is not the first time I am asking you people not to comment in the live chat. You people might be punters in posting the answers, but I want you people to be punters in knowing the concept and then post the answers. You will be blocked, you will not be allowed to listen to any of our further classes. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, okay, I cannot keep repeating the same thing. If you understand, obey, respect my words. Do not understand, I will respect your words in a different way. Simple. Listen carefully. First day I travelled at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. I reached my office 30 minutes late. I don't like, because my boss scolded me, I did not like it. So what I did is, second day I started going to my office at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Because I increased my speed, I reached my office 10 minutes early itself. Your question is, I don't want to reach the office late. I hate reaching the office late because my boss will scold me. I hate reaching the office early also, because if I reach early, I will definitely work little extra time for the company. I don't want that to happen. So what I thought is, I want to reach exactly on time. If the office is at 9 o'clock, I should exactly be at 9 o'clock to my office. If I want to reach exactly on time, how much distance I need to travel from my home to office? At what speed I need to travel from my home to office? At what time, how much time I will take to travel from my home to office? This is the question. I hope you are clear with the question. But in today's class, I will not teach you speed and time because of time constraint. I will take the same questions in the next class. I will teach you speed and time, but let us only calculate distance in this question. Don't worry about the speed and time. Now see here. Sir, distance calculation, right? Okay. Let the distance be x. Please stop that, sir. Please stop that. You should feel ashamed if you use that method from now onwards. You should be proud enough to say that you are a student of an higher classes and you should start using this kind of methodology. Please stop using that methodology of variable. Let the distance be x. Listen to this carefully right now. Now, distance is constant. I don't know what is the distance, but I will assume the distance as LCM of 30 and 60. LCM of 30 and 60 is 60. I am assuming the distance as 60 kilometers. This is my assumption. It may or may not be the correct value. Now see here. My assumption is I am traveling every day from my home to office 60 kilometers distance. Now can I say that? First day. To travel from home to office, I am traveling at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. What is the meaning of 30 kilometers per hour? 30 kilometers per hour means in 1 hour I am covering 30 kilometers. In 1 hour I am covering 30. But I know that I am supposed to travel a distance of 60 kilometers. In 1 hour if I cover 30, to travel 60 I will take 2 hours on my first day. Second day, in 1 hour I will cover 60. To travel 60 I will take 1 hour. But what I realized is, first day I took 2 hours to reach the office. Second day I took 1 hour to reach the office. What is the difference in time in both the days? According to my assumption, difference in both the days is 2 hours and 1 hour is 1 hour. According to my assumption, difference in time taken in both the days is 1 hour. 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes. Similarly, according to my assumption, distance traveled is 60 kilometers. But can you solve the question according to whatever you like? I took it as 60, some other student will take it as 100, some other will take 120. Everyone will get different answers. You should solve the question according to what is asked in the question. That means, according to my assumption, distance is 60 kilometers. Difference in time is 60 minutes. But according to the question, if I want to reach exactly on time, if the office starts at 9 o'clock, First day I reached my office at 30 minutes late. I reached at 9:30. Second day I reached 10 minutes early. I reached 8:50 itself. According to the question, first day I reached at 9:30. Second day I reached at 8:50. What is the difference in time from 9:30 to 8:50? 9:30 to 8:50 difference is 40 minutes. According to my assumption, difference is 60 minutes. According to question, difference is 40 minutes. Similarly, according to my assumption, distance is 60. According to question, how much they are asking? 60 is becoming 60 horizontally. Multiply by 1. 40 also multiply by 1. 40 into 1 is how much? 40 kilometers. Answer for this question is 40 kilometers, which was asked in the question for you in the examination so many times, sir. You will get it in Google if you type it, probably will change in numerical values. But what is more important here is not understanding, not only solving the problem, but actually solving the problem in this methodology, so that you will solve it in the most easiest way possible and without wasting too much of time in the examination. Kindly comment in the live chat if my first question is clear for you people. I want to take another 2 questions, sir. Whether you stay, you do not stay, interested students will stay and co-travel in this journey with me. Not interested students will leave it and they will leave the class and they will go to some other work, whatever they want to do it. First comment in the live chat. Kindly comment in the live chat. I want to take another 2 questions at least. I want to take another 2 questions. Nikhil, any other method you want, you can Google it. You will get a beautiful method which uses variable method which will kill your time. Comment in the live chat, sir. I will make sure that in the next 2 questions you will solve this kind of questions without using pen. Have patience, Sharanya. Have patience. Have patience. Patience is the ultimate thing what I expect you from you people. First comment in the live chat. Let us move on to our next problem. Now, if you observe the first question, the beauty about first question is it is late and early, right? First question says it is late and early. Sir, should it be always late and early? No rule like that, beta. It can be late and late also, or it can be early and early also. That is the reason I told you I will at least solve minimum 2 questions again. Now see here. First question is late and early. Second question is late and late. 24 kilometers per hour. Everyone see here, sir, how fast we can solve it. 24 kilometers per hour. Let me take it as 30 minutes late. 24 kilometers per hour, 30 minutes late. 36 kilometers per hour. 36 kilometers per hour, 10 minutes late. Find the actual distance from home to office. Everyone see here, sir. Within seconds you can solve it. LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. 1 hour 24, 72 is 3 hours. 1 hour 36, 72 is 2 hours. Difference according to my assumption is 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Distance according to my assumption is 72. But according to question, office is at 9 o'clock. First day 30 minutes late, 9:30. Second day 10 minutes late, 9:10. 9:10, 9:30. Difference is 20 minutes. First 60 divided by 3 is 20. 72 divided by 3 is how much? 24. Khel khatam, dukaan band. Khel khatam, dukaan band. Why are you wasting your time, sir? I find it funny seeing students who are solving. Okay, let the initial distance be x. Okay, first day 24 kilometers per hour. What is that here? My God. Start learning the beauty of aptitude. Start realizing the beauty of aptitude. You will love it. I hope I am making sense. Kindly comment in the live chat. And believe me, sir, shall I tell you something? With practice, please underline this. Let me underline this word called as practice with red ink. With practice, you can solve these questions in 5 seconds. And that too without using pen. Sir, how is it possible? I already told, with practice. Hina, in my previous question also I converted, right? 1 hour only I wrote it as 60 minutes in my previous question also, Hina. In my previous question also I did it, ma. Sir, is there any problem if I take another 3 problems? But I will promise you that I will try to complete it by next 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes I expect you people. I thought of taking only one problem, but let me do justice for you people, sir. I do not want to do injustice for my profession. Is there any problem if I take another 3 questions, sir? Kindly comment fast. The more you comment fast, the more I will take those 3 questions. Okay, some people have commented already to continue. Let me continue, sir. Let me not waste time. Now see here. See here, sir. First question is late and late. Second question is, first question is late and early. Second question is late and late. Third question is early and early. This is how you need to tackle the problems. See here, if your question is 40 kilometers per hour, concentrate here. 40 kilometers per hour. I reached the office 40 minutes early. 40 kilometers per hour, I reached 40 minutes early. Suppose if I travel at 60 kilometers per hour, I will reach the office 80 minutes early. What is the actual distance I traveled? Distance they are asking. Same logic. LCM of 40 and 60, 120. First day 1 hour 40 to cover 123 hours. Second day 1 hour 60 to cover 122 hours. Difference between time in first day and second day, 3 hours, 2 hours is 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes according to my assumption. Distance according to my assumption is 120 kilometers. Suppose the office is exactly at 9 o'clock. First day I reached the office 40 minutes early itself. That means I reached at 8:20 itself. Second day I reached 80 minutes early. 80 minutes means 1 hour 20 minutes early. From 9 o'clock if I reach 1 hour 20 minutes early, it is 7:40. First day 8:20, second day 7:40, 8:20, 7:40. What is the difference, beta? It is 40 minutes. Array 60 is giving you 120. 60 into 2 is 120. What is 40 into 2? 80 only, right? Over, right? Why are you so much worried about aptitude? I think you should not be worried about aptitude if you start listening to all the topics, all the varieties of problems which are there in our online YouTube content, sir. Online content, it's not a YouTube content basically. I hope I am making sense for you, sir. Next question, see here, see here. This is the beauty of learning concepts, sir. If you learn the concept, you will rule the aptitude. Otherwise, you cannot even rule yourself. 20 kilometers per hour. Suppose I am traveling at 20 kilometers per hour. I will reach the office, suppose at 6 o'clock. I will reach the office at 6 p.m. If I travel at 60 kilometers per hour speed, if I travel at 60 kilometers per hour speed, I will reach the office at 2 p.m. Now, time periods are given instead of late and early. Find the distance from home to office. Will it be difficult? No, definitely it will not be difficult because you are an ANC student. Distance is, I will assume it as LCM of 20 and 60, which is 60. First day, 1 hour it is 20 to cover 63 hours. 1 hour it is 60 to cover 61 hour. Difference in time in both the days. 3 hours and 2 hours difference according to my assumption is 2 hours. But distance according to my assumption is 60 kilometers. But question says difference is not 2 hours. 6 o'clock to 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock. What is the difference? Difference is 4 hours. 2 into 2 is 4. 60 into 2 is 120. Shruti already answered because I know that Shruti would have definitely used this method. And probably Shruti would have tried without using pen. I hope idea is clear. Jai Mulani, sir, problems on fractional speed and time. Fractions only we will convert to whole numbers, sir. That is the beauty of LCM. Then you should attend my time and work class. Comment, comment, comment. Everyone should comment, sir. Everyone should comment. Everyone should comment. Waiting for your comment. Please comment fast. Please comment fast. My sincere request. Comment, sir. Comment, comment. Jay Mulani, you can WhatsApp me that question. Fast. I still expect many more students to comment. People who are commenting from initial stages, I want all of you to comment. I see many people are not commenting yet. Now see here, sir. See here. Suppose for example, 40 kilometers per hour. Everyone listen carefully. 40 kilometers per hour. I will reach at 7 p.m. 60 kilometers per hour. 60 kilometers per hour. I will reach at 2 p.m. Find the distance. Sir, why again same question? Hold on. Have patience. 40 kilometers per hour 7 p.m. 60 kilometers per hour 2 p.m. Find the distance. Now see here, sir. Distance from home to office is LCM of 40 and 60 is 120. 120. First day, 1 hour 40 to cover 123 hours. Second day, 1 hour 60 to cover 122 hours. Difference in time in both the days. 2 hours and 1 hour is 1 hour. Difference is 1 hour. But question says difference is 7 o'clock to 2 o'clock. It is 5 hours. Question says 5 hours. Multiply by 5. Similarly, distance according to my assumption is 120 kilometers. According to question, they are asking you how much. That also multiply by 5. What should be the answer for this question? Answer is 600 kilometers. Right? Answer is 600 kilometers. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully, sir. Instead of asking you distance in the question, let me create another question. This is the beauty of listening to me. Let me create another question for you people. The question is, if I travel at 40 kilometers, I will reach at 7 p.m. If I travel at 60 kilometers per hour speed, I will reach at 2 p.m. Your question is, if I want to reach at 5 p.m., at what speed should I travel? This is exactly what I called as connecting the dots. And people who have enrolled for our online class will connect the dots for each and every question in their examination, main examination. And I am damn sure that they will clear the aptitude paper so easily, sir. This is what is exactly beautifully questions created. If I want to reach at 5 p.m., at what speed should I travel? What I will do is, this will be your assignment question. Think over it. Think over it for the entire night. Think over it until I take my next class. Before I solve my next question of today's class probably. Think over it, because I feel that if I spoon feed you for everything, you might take it for granted. Simple. There is no other extra statement required. If I spoon feed you, forget about you taking it for granted. You will only not learn actually. Right? Think over it. Answer Taraka Brahman says it is 50 kilometers per hour, which is absolutely wrong answer. Absolutely incorrect answer. Think over it for the whole night or whatever it is. But before I wind up, sir, I am repeatedly saying it. Any person preparing for placement, any person preparing for bank PO, sir, I am preparing for SSC, sir, I have written CAT exam earlier, but I could not clear. I am preparing once again. We have 180 plus hours of power packed video content, aptitude, reasoning, verbal, soft skills, everything is what is required for a placement with other than non-technical. Everything is already prepared by beautiful methodologies, never seen ways of solving questions. Everything is there. Bank PO, some 250 plus hours of content is there. SSC, some 300 plus hours of SSC related questions are there. And what about I can say about CAT exams, sir? Mother of all the exams. We have some 350 to 400 hours of content in CAT covering lowest level questions, intermediate level questions, highest level questions, the most highest level, very difficult, extraordinary questions also are covered. Everything is already there in a plate. Everything is already there in a plate. Idli, sambar, vada, puri, dosa, everything we have prepared, sir. You should just eat it and be. You are hungry right now. You should eliminate that hunger. Simple. I am telling you, sir. Already prices are increasing. The day it was when I took the last class, I will definitely not give it to you today. If you are preparing for placements, I gave that day probably at 3000 itself. Bank, I gave it at 3400 or 3600, I don't remember. Definitely I will not give it today. It will be an increased price. But sir, I will take after 1 week, sir. It will be even more increased. You decide, sir. If you are so much rich in, what do you say, throwing out your money, you can purchase any time you want. Sir, what is the advantage? You will have 1 year validity. You can rewind. You can pause. You can replace. You can rewind, pause, replay and listen to the same content as many times as possible. Until and unless you think that you are superb, extraordinary in that particular topic or problem. 1 year huge validity will be there. I am extremely sorry. Only for 7 students. Only for 7 students I can give, including all the packages of aptitude, reasoning and verbal for placements or bank, whichever exam you are preparing. Only for first 7 students. You can WhatsApp me right away. You should please do not call me, sir, because if you call you will probably get waiting and you will have to wait for so long. You should WhatsApp me. I will definitely WhatsApp you back and help you out with the prizes as the best prize of today for either placements if you are preparing or bank or SSC or CAT. Only 7 students I will give this opportunity. Sir, I will not be one among those first 7 students. I am sorry, you can ignore it and you will repent it in the future because you will understand how much difficult it takes for you people not to understand by using variables by some stupid RS Agarwal or whatever textbook you refer. Interested first 7 students, please WhatsApp, sir. Balwant has already enrolled. Extremely beautiful, sir. You can start watching all the videos. Please WhatsApp immediately to my WhatsApp number. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Compared to my website, anilnairclasses.com, whatever the price which is available in the website, definitely I will help you out with lesser price. I will definitely help you out. It is completely up to you, sir. Chalo, sir, I am signing off. 9:35. I have a movie. I also want to enjoy my life equivalently how I enjoy loving taking classes. I want to enjoy also in that watching movies or whatever it is also. So I also have my personal life. Let me give that space for personal life also. I am signing off. Have a very, very beautiful night. Thank you, sir. Interested first 7 students can WhatsApp me immediately and grab this never again offer for you people.